up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Richenta Marie.
And I'm Qui.
And on today's video, we are going to be doing a triple unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Bandeau. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you stay tuned.
Okay, so if you guys have actually seen our previous videos, you know Ree has been wanting the Louis Vuitton Bandeau for so long.
Yes.
And recently they just had a price increase and she was like, oh my goodness, the bandeaus went up in price. And I was just sitting there looking at her like, girl, if you do not order this bandeau, I'm gonna have to fight you.
Yes.
So she did end up ordering not one, not two, but 3 bandeaus. So let's get the video started.
Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm super excited because out of the 3, I don't know which one this is, so this is like a surprise.
I'm excited too because now I don't have to hear about a bandeau anymore.
Period.
Period, poo.
Okay, you guys, so this is the box, the standard box that it come in, and then it also has the ribbon. I don't know what it is, but when I get ribbons on my Louis Vuitton boxes, I just feel so official.
You feel
it's
official?
Like, I just feel official. If it doesn't have a ribbon, I'd be like, bleh.
You know what? I do feel like when you are ordering like luxury purchases or luxury items, the packaging is part of
the experience.
The experience. Like, it's a part of you spending that money, so you should always get a ribbon.
Yeah.
Period.
I love it. So it has the blue ribbon, and then in the front it also has like a little card that you can just do personalized messages. I never freaking do a personalized message, but I think that would be cute if I did next time.
Well, let me give you a personalized message.
What?
Ree, I am so glad that I was able to gift this to myself. You are beautiful and you deserve this bandeau.
Aww, that's
XOXO Ree.
That's cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see which one it is. Take the ribbon off, and then it also has like this little blue tab that's right here. So it's like a little drawer. Oh my gosh.
And it's tighter than that thing.
Oh my gosh. My nail don't pop off.
You want me to do it? Because I don't want your nail to pop off.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
This is what happens when you wear press-ons and you do an unboxing.
Ooh,
Dang.
Hold on. I couldn't get it either. Dang. Girl, back. Wait, hold on. Okay, there we go.
Wow, that was tough.
That was tight.
Yeah, so this is that was a mess. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. So on top it does have your envelope, and this has like the receipt and then the shipping label. So with Louis Vuitton, you are able to do free shipping and returns. So this has all the information in there. And then let's see which one it is. So we have the white tissue paper with the Louis Vuitton sticker in the front. So let's pop this baby open. Which one is this? Oh, yes, Lloyd. Oh, it's so freaking cute.
Oh, that is cute. That's the jungle print?
Yeah, so this is the jungle print, if you guys could see, but it does have a tiger, some trunks, and a little monkey. And this is super freaking cute.
And look at it, it has a little table and chair.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, Louis Vuitton books. Oh, this is super pretty.
Yeah.
The details in the jungle print popping. We like that. That's nice.
So on one side it has the jungle, and then if you flip it over, oh, this is so freaking cute.
That's really nice.
Yes, so it is the Louis Vuitton that's engraved the logo, and this is super, super cute. So with these scarves, they are 100% silk, you guys, and they are pretty long. This is bandeau number 2, and we just opened it off camera because it's so hard to get these open. So of course it has the envelope that's right there. Let me take that out. The white tissue paper. Ooh, the pink one.
Oh, that's so darling. That's so pretty.
I feel like I picked some amazing
What is
bandeaus.
this one called?
So this one is the Monogram Confidential Bandeau, And if you guys can see,
yeah,
super I love this. So it has the Louis Vuitton in gray, pink, and white. And it also has chains that's going down it. And then they have little straps also. So this is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the next one. So this is the last Bandeau. And I already know what this one is because of course I bought them. So number 3. Yeah.
Ooh, so pretty.
I'm so happy that I bought this piece.
Oh,
so,
that, you know what? I kind of need that for my cans bag.
Ooh.
Like, I'm about to buy all these that you bought. Ugh, they are all so freaking gorgeous. This is the Louis Vuitton Confidential Bandeau. Super pretty. It has the reverse. And as you see, this is super pretty. Looks like a strap and then a lock. And then on the end of it, it does have the Louis Vuitton logo.
So this one is super cute. I love this. One of the main reasons why I bought this is to go on my Monogram bags, my Speedy. I also have the Neverfull, so I'm actually excited to put this on.
I'm excited too. I think this will be so pretty in your hair too.
Yeah, and
match the tone of your skin. This is so pretty. Okay, Ree, we are going to ask you questions as we do here on the channel. The first question is, would you recommend these bandeaus to people who actually want to start their luxury collection?
I would definitely say yes. I would recommend this to new LV lovers, old LV lovers, them and the mammy. Okay?
And them and the mammy.
Yes, I just feel like these bandeaus, they can really just spice up any purse that you have. It doesn't have to be Louis Vuitton purses, but anything in your collection. So if you are first starting off, you can buy a bandeau and wear it multiple ways, different purses. And not only that, but out of the things that Louis Vuitton carries, this is like one of the most reasonably priced pieces. Like each one costs $190.
So basically what she's saying is, if you don't want to purchase, you know, Louis Vuitton bag, you could go get you like a bag that's just like a really pretty silhouette.
Period.
It doesn't have to have a name on it.
Period.
And throw you on a bandeau and you the Louis Vuitton Don. That's what she's saying, okay?
Period.
Okay.
So yes, I would definitely recommend them. That was good.
That was good, girl. So for me, my least favorite, my number 3, has to be the pink.
What? It's beautiful.
Okay, I'm choosing the pink as my number 3. It is absolutely, hands down, super beautiful. However, if you are planning on using this for the handles of your bag, you like, pink is going to get dirty the fastest.
But I didn't care about that.
Yeah, she doesn't care about that. So if you decide you're gonna wear it in your hair, if you are a black girl that wear a grease, I ain't trying to be shady. I got grease in my hair right now. This ain't what you want, boo.
No,
this ain't what you want. So yeah, so the pink is my number 3.
Okay.
My number 2 has to be the Confidential. This is my number 2. I'm picking this as my number 2 strictly because of the same reason Ree did. Like, you see this everywhere.
Yeah, you really
it's still beautiful, but you see it everywhere. My number 1, hun, has to be
the Jungle Book, baby.
The jungle print. The reason why I'm going with the jungle print is just because this thing is sassy.
It's beautiful.
You know, it's super beautiful on one side. It's giving you Wild Thoughts by Rihanna.
Get it?
Ooh, look at that.
I can't wait to wear that.
But then on the other side, on the flip side, if you just want to be a plain Jane, you ain't on that. It's just giving you regular Louis Vuitton monogram. We feeling that. So I mean, you may want to be, you know, basic on the outside,
spicy on the inside. Yeah.
but a wild tigeress on the inside.
That's nice.
So yes, I like this one the best. It's just beautiful.
Yeah,
it's absolutely beautiful.
Alright, you guys, so that was the end of our video. And now for the question of the day, out of those 3 bandeaus, which one did you guys like the most or could see yourself purchasing?
It's gonna be the jungle print. We already know.
Pink.
Period.
Pink.
Okay. That is the end of our video. If you liked our video, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Join the family, join the squad, and don't forget to hit the bell to like our video. And until next time,
Don't forget to stay what?
Chiq
Chiq Squad.
out.